Potty training doesn't have to be a battle. If you're struggling with accidents, tantrums, or a toddler who just won't cooperate, you're not alone. In this video, we're uncovering the secrets to stress-free potty training, from choosing the right time to start to handling setbacks with ease. Stick around because tip number 6 will change the way you approach potty training forever. Before we begin, tell us in the comments, what has been your biggest potty training struggle so far? Let's support each other. Quick transition sound effect with title card. Uncover the secrets to stress-free potty training. One of the biggest mistakes parents make is starting potty training too early or waiting too long. So how do you know when your child is ready? Look for these signs. Stays dry for at least 2 hours, shows interest in the potty or follows you to the bathroom, can pull pants up and down independently, and tells you when they have a wet or dirty diaper. Most children are ready between 18 months and 3 years, but every child is different. Quick transition sound effect. Making potty training fun and exciting starts with choosing the right equipment. Potty chair or potty seat. Some kids prefer a potty chair while others feel like a big kid using a seat on the regular toilet. Let them choose. Fun underwear. Let them pick their favorite character underwear. It makes them more excited to keep them dry. Training books and videos. Reading or watching fun potty training content can help kids understand the process better. Pro tip: if your child is afraid of the toilet, try using a footstool to help them feel stable. Quick transition sound effect. Routine is key to stress-free potty training. Here's a simple schedule to start with. First thing in the morning, after meals and before naps, every 1 to 2 hours throughout the day, and before bedtime. Keep potty time fun. Read a short book or sing a song while they sit. Quick transition sound effect. Step 4, ditch the pressure, make it fun. Here's a secret. Kids resist potty training when they feel pressured. Instead, make it fun and rewarding. Use a sticker chart. Every time they use the potty, they get a sticker. Sing a potty song. A little celebration makes it exciting. Clap, cheer, and high five. Positive reinforcement works wonders. But avoid bribing with candy or toys. You want your child to feel proud of their progress, not just do it for rewards. Step 5, handling accidents without stress. Accidents will happen. It's part of the learning process. How you react matters. Stay calm. Don't punish or scold. Just say, "Oops, let's try again next time." Have extra clothes ready. Keep a potty training kit with wipes, underwear, and a spare outfit. Use waterproof mattress covers. Nighttime accidents happen too, and that's okay. Potty training is a journey, not a race. Be patient and supportive. Quick transition sound effect. Step 6, nighttime potty training. What you need to know. Daytime training is one thing, but what about nighttime? Here's how to help your child stay dry at night. Limit drinks before bedtime. Offer sips of water, but no large drinks 1 to 2 hours before bed. Use pull-ups or training pants until they wake up dry consistently. Wake them for a bathroom trip. Some kids benefit from a gentle wake-up to use the potty before you go to bed. Remember, night training takes longer. It's normal for kids to need pull-ups at night for months after daytime training. Quick transition sound effect. Step 7, be patient. Every child learns at their own pace. The biggest potty training secret? Patience. Every child is different, and pushing them too soon can make the process harder. Some kids train in a few days, while others take weeks or months. If they resist, take a break and try again later. Celebrate small wins, even if it's just sitting on the potty without fear. Quick transition sound effect. Let's recap the secrets to stress-free potty training. Wait until your child is ready. Don't rush. Get the right potty gear to make them comfortable. Use a simple potty schedule for consistency. Make it fun with sticker charts and celebrations. Handle accidents calmly. They're part of learning. Be patient with nighttime training. Every child learns at their own pace. Stay positive. Now we want to hear from you. What's your biggest potty training challenge? Drop a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert parenting tips. Thanks for watching. Good luck with potty training. Outro music fades out, with a closing screen showing "Subscribe for more."